You can use a patch repair kit instead of cold lay tarmac for small, quick fixes, but choose based on scale and expected longevity. Patch repair kits are designed for homeowners doing small areas and usually include a prepared compound, a trowel or applicator, and simple instructions. So start by cleaning the hole of loose debris and dirt, then dry the area as much as possible because moisture reduces adhesion. For a small pothole under 4 inches deep, compact the base with a firm rock or a hand tamper and mix any resin or binder per the kit directions, remembering that many kits cure faster in warm, dry conditions. Press the kit material firmly into place, overfilling slightly, and then compact the surface level with the surrounding pavement using a flat tool or a board, because proper compaction is the single biggest factor that prevents future depressions. Allow the product to cure fully before allowing traffic, which can range from 1 hour to 24 hours based on the formulation and temperature, and protect the repair from water during curing if possible. For linear cracks, use a crack-filling nozzle or pour slowly, then smooth with a putty knife to prevent water ingress, which causes freeze-thaw damage in colder climates. If you are repairing multiple holes or large areas, calculate total material cost, because patch kits are often more expensive per hole than buying a bag of cold lay tarmac, but they save time and reduce tool needs. The 3 most common mistakes are poor base preparation, which leads to sinking, using the wrong product for depth, which causes cracking, and inadequate compaction, which allows water to re-enter. If you skip base cleaning, take time to remove all loose material and dry the hole. Then add a layer of crushed stone for deeper repairs before applying kit material. If the repair is deeper than the kit specifies, layer in and compact semi-cured lifts or choose a product rated for the full depth to avoid internal stress cracking. If you do not compact properly, use a firm tamper or heavy flat object to press the material tightly and finish flush with the surrounding surface to prevent water pooling. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare repair options, find trusted local contractors, and read real homeowner experiences about products like patch kits and cold lay tarmac. Our site also helps contractors find work through project posts, and we host an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and report outcomes so everyone learns from practical results.